This is the sixth chapter of History of Economics in Half Hour. Mercantilist practices led to the mutual impoverishment of countries. Mercantilists did not realize that commerce was not a zero-sum game in which I must lose in order for you to win, but that both parties could benefit from it. The Industrial Revolution transformed the economic and social structure of England, producing the great economic start of productivity. After mercantilism, liberalism began. Based on economic freedom, it claimed minimum state intervention in the economy and also a great respect regarding property rights.